To Ayurooms TV. Today I'm at the Leela Kovalam, one of the top luxury wellness resorts in all of India. Leela Kovalam is a place that I love to visit for Ayurveda, for yoga, and they have a fantastic beachside resort. So I'm literally standing next to the ocean, and today I'm going to be shooting the Ocean View Suite. It's called the Ocean View Suite because literally you have this spectacular view, all right? This is the view that you have when you're standing on your porch or balcony, which is in behind me, right? So this is the outdoor space you see right there. And if you're staying here, basically you get to like chill out on this balcony, right? You've got another love seat out here that literally has this beautiful view right there. This is the entrance to get to the, you literally walk down that path this way, and then it comes right here, and then you have your outdoor space right there, and that's the luxury or the Ocean View Suite. So it's totally private. There's no one else around. That's the main advantage to being at this particular suite. All right. This is the beach. So you're right next to the beach. You have your own private backyard, and then you have this spectacular view. This is a one-of-a-kind suite. The sun is right there, but the sun will be setting around there in the next hour or so. So you can have lovely views of the sunset. And let's go inside and take a look at this magnificent suite. So we're walking in. Oh, air conditioning, much needed. It's so cool in here and so quiet. Right? So you've got a TV there, flat screen TV. You've got kettle for tea and coffee. Really nice ambient lighting. You've got central AC everywhere. Look at the lighting, high ceilings, another flat screen TV in the bedroom, ample natural light, an ocean view right from your king bed. Look at the bed. I mean, that's a beautiful bed, you know, with a high board in behind. Just really, really nice. Great pillows, water on both sides of the bed. All right, you've got a study table over here. Another attractive feature, you've got a rainfall shower. Look at how the shower head is just in this flush with the ceiling, right? And then you've got this beautiful jacuzzi, and the jacuzzi overlooks the ocean. Now you can bring down, there is a blind there. If you want privacy, you can bring down the blinds, but I opened it so that you can see the view from inside your jacuzzi. Beautiful sink. You've got also a wardrobe here, and there is an electronic safe down there. You've got an ironing board and an iron, always handy. Toilet, phone to call the reception. Oh, they do have a split AC unit in the bathroom. Okay, interesting. So you've got central AC as well as split AC. But this gives you a perspective of just how big. So actually you've got a living room, you've got your master bedroom, you've got your bathroom. Okay? So you've got essentially 3 rooms here. Could comfortably accommodate 4 adults. I think you could probably put 2 extra beds over here if you want to stay as a family. So there is ample space for extra beds. You do have a mirror over there, full-length mirror, always helpful. And again, really nice lighting, really beautiful curtains. I love the shades of blue and gray, really nice lighting. But the real attraction is this spectacular view. They also provide you with umbrellas in case it's raining, so you have ample space to sit outside, right?